Okay, so today we are going to learn how to create a photo collage using Canva application. Now let's see how to do that. I have opened my Canva homepage. In the search bar, I can type photo collage and see so many different options have come. You will select only photo collage. So when you select photo collage, there are so many things that have come. See over here, there are so many templates that you can use. So you can use any of the template that is for free. So take for example, see okay, let's see which photo collage I like. Okay, let's take an example. Let's take this one. I like this one. So okay, I like this one, so I'll take this one. So now when when I'm done with selecting the template, I'll just simply click on the template that I want to use and let it get loaded. Once it is loaded, there are two pictures that you can modify, that you can change, and you can add your own pictures. Now you can add your own pictures using uploads option. See over here, there is an upload option, and see from here you can upload media. When you click on upload media, there are so many options given to you. You will select device. So when you click on device, a new window will appear in front of you, and see there are so many pictures. You can use any of such picture that you want to add. Go to the folder in which your pictures are there. Suppose my pictures are there in pictures folder, so I can go to the pictures folder and select the picture that I want to add. Suppose let's see for an example. See there are so many pictures. Suppose I want to add all of these pictures over here, so I'll just select all of them and click on open. Now once I do that, see so many pictures have come in front of me that I can use to create a photo collage of my pictures. So let's select this picture. Suppose I want to add this picture, so I'll just click on this picture and this picture will appear on the template. Now what I want to do is I want to remove this picture, this one, and keep this picture in place of that. So how will I do that? Just double click on this picture and drag and drop that picture on it, and see it is added. Same way you can add one more picture. Suppose I want to add this picture, so I can directly click on this picture and put it over here. Okay, two pictures came. I can directly put it over here. Adjust the picture a little bit, and then my picture is done added. So this is how the collage will look like. Now there is some writing over here. From here you can remove this. You can write your own name over here. Remove this. You can write something else over here. Suppose you want to write your grade, so you can write your grade 3, suppose A. So like you can write grade over here and you are done. So this is how my photo collage will look like. You will click on this downward arrow to download it. Select the file type. Now you know what are the file types, right? So you will select JPG. So select JPG and click on download button. Once you click on download button, Canva will prepare your design and it will get automatically downloaded. You can remove this.